Hello! Welcome to the world of cell. Today I'm gonna talk about the cell junction and ECM on extracellular matrix. Let's see the first picture. This is the cell, as you know. The first question is about, it is necessary for cell to attract others closely? The answers may be no or and you might say why. Let's see the pictures. There is a space between cells. And yet, it is not only the space. I call ECM as the thin out of cell membrane. ECM is classified into three types. The first one is fibers, for instance, collagen and elastin fibers. The second one is substance, such as protein. And the last one is fluid. These are very important to maintain the cell position. So then, I will talk about how cells attach to others and how cell maintain itself in the environment. However, firstly, you should know about two types of cytoskeleton as are really important for cell junction. The first type is intermediate filament, and the second one is microfilament. The type of junction will depend on this substance. The junction is not only for cell adhesion but also for cell communication and transportation. So let's see. The first junction is tight junction. The clad barrier protects the cell space from the diffusion of other substance. The second type, called anchoring junction, which is classified by the different attack substance. So let's start with microfilament associated junction. The first one is adherence junction or cell-to-cell adhesion, and the second one is focal junction or cell-to-ECM adhesion, and the ECM is the fibrous type. So moves on to the next. There are two types of intermediate filament associated junction. The first one is the strongest adhesion between cell-to-cell core desmosome, and the second one called hemidesmosome or the adhesion of cell to ECM, which is fibrous type. Lastly, the gap junction or the channel between cell to cells, or you might call communicating junction. This picture explains what is the structures of the junction why cells attach to others. The next one called intracellular protein, the transmembrane protein and the cytoskeleton connectors. And finally, the intermediate filament or the cytoskeleton, as I have mentioned previously. In a nutshell, cells cannot be isolated when they join together, so they need something to maintain the structures and for other purpose. This is called junction. Thanks for watching videos and goodbye.